Hello guys, this is Ketan again. Let's change some bits today. Alright, so the problem that we are solving today is lucky 4 and the problem code is lucky 4. Oh, sorry, luck 4. This is a beginner level practice problem from CodeChef and it will be part of the playlist that we are doing. Yeah, let's get into the problem. Kostya likes the number 4 much. Of course, this number has such a lot of properties like 4 is the smallest composite number, it is also the smallest Smith number. Okay, there are a lot of properties of 4 which we don't really care about because they don't really add any value to the question. Yeah, so let's go through this part of the question because all of the things that are before it are basically they don't give us any information to actually solve the problem. Okay, impressed by the power of this number, Kostya has begun to look for occurrences of 4 anywhere. He has a list of t integers. For each of them, he wants to calculate the number of occurrences of the digit 4 in the decimal representation. He is too busy now, so please help him. Okay guys, so we'll be getting an integer and we have to find how many 4s are present as digits in the number, right? So we have 1 4 over here, 1 4 over here, 1 4 digit over here and another digit 4 over here. So we have 4 4s in here, right? So the output is 4 and there are no 4s here, so 0 1 4, so 1 and so on. Okay, this is very straightforward. Yeah, let's get into the solution of this thing. Since it is very simple, we can do it pretty easily. If you want to solve this using percentile, and you could use modulo and division method, but it's more simpler when we are using in Python. We can just use it, take the input as a string and then count 4, essentially the character count. Yeah, so we can count how many characters which are 4s are present in it. So we'll see. First one is the t lines, because t is the test cases. Number of test cases is provided to us. T equals to int of input, and for I in range of t, we are converting the input into integer because input is always string in Python, and then we are converting it into t, storing it in t, and then we are iterating over it and we are getting the n equals to input. Observe that I did not put the int method over here because I want it as a string, because I just want to know how many times the 4 has occurred. We don't want to do any operations on it as an integer, so we can just do print and n dot count of 4. Alright guys, so this count method, if you're not familiarized with it, what this statement is essentially saying is n is a string and dot is used to connect the count method and that string. So use this count method on this string is what dot is representing over here. Okay, the count method, what it does is, when you input a string, when you give a string as a parameter to the count method, the count method checks how many times this string has occurred in n. Alright guys, so 4, how many times 4 has occurred in n? Remember, n is an string over here. Alright, so it automatically counts the number of times 4 has occurred and it will return it, and we are printing that number, right? So that's it, that's the problem. Yeah, in Python it's really simple in Python if you know the right method. Let's run it. We should be getting 40110. 40110. All right, let's submit it. There we go, correct answer. Alright guys, if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe if you want to keep watching more content. I'll be putting more content other than these small videos. I'll be putting solving problems from contests like TCS CodeVita or something like that, and I'll be putting those problems in the channel. You can watch them if you're subscribed. It will be very easy for you to find those problems, and share with your friends if you wanna see them grow, if they want to learn. And if you have any doubts or any feedback, please comment down below. It will help us a lot. Yeah, thanks guys.